Searching for a legit way to get Canva Pro for free? You're in the right place. No BS, this video shares 5 legit, and I mean legit, ways to get Canva Pro for free, including a Canva Pro free trial, and 1 non-legit mistake to avoid at all costs. Each of these 5 legitimate methods lets you access all of Canva's premium features for free in various ways. We're talking Canva Pro features like premium Canva content, templates, audio, video, and images, the complete Canva brand system, including multiple brand kits, all the Canva Magic Studio AI tools, a whole swag of premium Canva video tools, and tools that let you design at scale with Canva Pro. The 5 methods of access I'll share give you the ability to use all of Canva Pro's premium features. You also get access to more storage and extra export and download format options. I'll swing back to these features and benefits later in this video, but for now, just know that 5 of these methods are Canva approved and easy to access depending on what your work or business situation is. There's something for everyone. And we'll talk about 1 non-legit way you should absolutely not use. As you've probably seen online, it can be confusing with so many articles and videos and offers online claiming big discounts, promo codes, lifetime plans, free 12-month offers. They are not Canva approved, and either they won't work, or if they do work, Canva can easily shut them down and your account with them. Focus on the 5 legit ways I share to access Canva Pro for free and you'll be safe. Speaking of safe and legit, I'm Donna Moritz, a Canva Verified Expert, so I'm updated by Canva's team on what is available to Canva users to access Canva Pro. So let's dive in. The first legit way, and perhaps the most common, is to use a Canva Pro free trial. You can do a Canva Pro 30-day free trial with my partner link as a Canva Verified Expert. Click the link in the description or go to sociallysorted.com.au/Canva. Again, link is in the description or use the QR code on the screen. Chances are you're here because you've outgrown the free plan on Canva. You're frustrated by not having a brand kit, restricted inability to resize content, wish you had a background remover, and want to access those premium templates and assets. Put simply, if you use Canva for work or business, Canva Pro is worth the upgrade to create professional content. So definitely take it for a spin with my free trial. When you click my partner link, you'll be taken to the current landing page for my Canva Pro free trial. At the time of this recording, I've added a bonus page covering all the benefits of Canva Pro. Click any button on this page to go to my exclusive trial on Canva. Just make sure you're logged into your Canva account and click the purple button to apply the trial. And just a heads up that if you do the 30-day trial, you can choose monthly or annual billing. Just know that Canva will remind you before charging at the end of your trial period. If you want to be safe, you can always cancel it in your settings, but many of my community choose to continue as they love the Canva Pro features. Billing varies based on your location, but it's roughly the equivalent of $15 per month or $120 per year. Watch till the end for a hot tip for how to save on your subscription should you continue with a paid Canva Pro plan. Now for the second legit way to access Canva Pro features for free. If you are a registered nonprofit or NGO or charity in your country, you can apply for a Canva nonprofit account. This gives you access to all the features in Canva Pro. You'll need to provide official proof or documentation to apply. Canva nonprofit accounts are extra special as you can add up to 50 team members. It's actually a little bit more than Canva Pro as you essentially get access to the next level of Canva, which was the old Canva Team subscription and similar to Canva Business in that you get access to team and collaboration tools 100% free. You get 50 seats for your organization, which is very cool. Extra seats can also be purchased at a huge nonprofit discount. I love that Canva looks after nonprofits in this way. I've worked with many nonprofits, including organisations like YMCA, to transition to Canva, so I know the impact that this can have for helping them do their important work. So definitely check it out if you are a nonprofit. The link is in the description of this video. The third legit way to access Canva Pro features is via Canva Education. Canva Education is an education-specific version of Canva for K-12 teachers, schools and districts that gives free access to a Canva Pro level set of tools. In many cases, students can also join in using their school email or via a class invite from their teacher. Canva Education gives you access to ready-made classroom templates, lesson plans, posters, presentations, worksheets, and more. You will also get access to premium images, graphics, and fonts tailored for learning environments. Teachers can set up class spaces where students join and collaborate on projects and submit their work. And you can manage everything from a teacher dashboard. Just note that this version of Canva Pro is not a free-for-all for commercial work. The focus is classroom use, student projects, and school communication. If you're an educator, this is hands down one of the easiest ways to give your students powerful design tools without asking them or you to pay extra for it. Schools and districts can also apply it district-wide, but just note it has to be used for education purposes. The link to check out Canva Education is in the description. The fourth way to access Canva Pro that's not often talked about is to be invited into a team where someone else is paying for or has access to Canva Pro features. For example, your employer might add you to a team at work, or if you're a freelancer, your client might invite you into a Canva Business or Canva Teams subscription, giving you full access to Canva Pro level features. In these situations, you are effectively getting Canva Pro for free, but it's important to remember that it's not your personal permanent account. The organization owns a subscription, so they can remove access at any time if you leave the team, change roles, or the project ends. Unless it's a long-time employer providing access, in which case you're lucky, we recommend you have your own Canva Pro account if you use it for work. This can be a great way to test Canva Pro tools without pulling out your credit card, but if you want independent access, consider doing a trial for your own plan. On that note, a common red flag is being invited into a team where you can pay a low fee to access a Canva Pro Lifetime Account. There is no such thing as a Canva Lifetime Account. These are likely illegal Canva Education accounts with multiple seats, and they will get shut down. If you see this online, run. Do not engage, and preferably report the ad or user to Canva. The fifth legit way to access Canva Pro for free is with a valid coupon code. These are rare, but they do exist. Canva does release coupon codes or promo codes, and sometimes I get to share these as a Canva Verified Expert. But if you're searching online for these, just be aware that you'll likely see more invalid codes than valid. They are either not legitimate, expired, or simply don't work. Just because you see a Canva logo doesn't mean it's from Canva. The simplest rule to use here is that if it's from Canva, then it's legit. If it's not, then it's likely not legit. And if you do find one that works, be careful to check that it's not sending you to a dodgy Teams account like we mentioned before. Now, if you do have access to a Canva code or a Canva gift code, then I have a blog post listed in the description that takes you through how to redeem your code and apply it to your Canva account. And I promised you some hot tips on how to save on your Canva Pro subscription should you decide to continue beyond a free trial and you're not eligible for one of the other account types. The first tip is to go annual and pay annually. Choose the yearly option to save money versus paying monthly. It's a huge saving overall. The second tip is to drop other tools to save so you can afford Canva Pro. Chances are you can consolidate your tech stack once you get Canva Pro and save more than you're spending, especially if you're using tools that are not super advanced. Switch your stock libraries to using stock in Canva Pro. Switch your social media scheduling tool to the content planner in Canva. Switch multiple AI tools like ChatGPT for Canva's text and image tools. Switch from Microsoft PowerPoint to Canva's much more user-friendly presentation tools, and you'll save thousands more than you'll spend on Canva Pro. Lastly, as I mentioned, watch for promos or extended trial deals through Canva. They're rare, but you may spot seasonal or partner promotions through a Canva Verified Expert like me. Subscribe to this channel to stay updated, or even better, join our email list. The link's in the description to stay updated on any deals or offers. And remember, when you do upgrade and do a trial of Canva Pro, you get access to the full Canva Pro experience, all the features, assets, and tools in a full trial. We're talking the complete collection of Canva's premium content, access to all the brand tools in Canva's brand system, including multiple brand kits, all the Canva Magic Studio AI tools, premium Canva video editing tools, and the ability to design at scale with advanced Canva Pro features ranging from Canva Grow to Magic Studio at scale. Go to sociallysorted.com.au/Canva. Link is in the description or use the QR code on the screen. I hope this video has you inspired to take your visual content creation to the next level and give it a glow up with Canva Pro. Reach out if you have any questions and we'll look forward to seeing what you create with it. If you like this video, please subscribe. It helps me to create more content for you. Look out for the next video on the screen in this series to help you find out more about Canva Pro and get more out of your Canva Pro subscription. That's it from me. Stay creative.